Pass to Bulan. Pasqua. Bulan. Bulan drives. Floater off the glass. Bulan. Ancheta. Straight to the home. Slays. Baget is good. Off the glass. Stop Australia. Herrera. Stop. Herrera. And here you go. Cavaliers. Slays. Oh, God, boss. That move. Dito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng Solana at Tuguegarao. Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. And Ataban versus Herrera. And more possession for Solana. Alice won't go too strong. Makanang. Pass to Makanang. Makanang, corner pass. Fix. Sibal drives. Kicks out. And Corpus. Attacks. Pinabitin. Oh, first blood. What a move. And here's number 5. Stop, Australia. Herrera. Attacks. Reverse tie up. Herrera. Makanang. Pass it to Corpus. Makanang. Wild shot. Off the mark. Herrera, pass on the inside, and face safe love, oh good, rebound, fakes, clutch, and fire, Baget is good! The inbound, corner pass, and a crossover, drives, reverse drive, so palpa lang inabot kay Ataban, and here you go, Ancheta straight to the hoop, slays, Baget is good, off the glass, and pass to the middle, behind the back dribble, Estrella, pass to Herrera, kumaldag, off the glass, Baget is good. Estrella, corner pass, wide open for 3, off the mark, short, and here's Corpus, oh, straight to the basket, so palpa lang inabot, and here's nakuha ng team oops, Taagaw, Kamakanang, gumigzag, to strays, low good, and rebound, hook shot, wala, rebound, put back, super, by foul. Estrella to the corner, to the middle, pass off the glass, Baget is good. Cavaliers, Corpus, Cavaliers, pass to Makanang for 3, off the mark, rebound. And the bounce pass, natapikan, Cavaliers, pass break, Ancheta, easy Baget. Estrella setting the play, pass to the other side, Pasqua also umatake, the rebound here for team Solana, ang gandang pass, what a execute play, Cavaliers, corner pass to Cavaliers to the middle, Corpus drives, lays, basket and one, offensive foul, and this Pasqua, pass to the corner for 3, bang, bullseye, Corpus, no good, the rebound by number 6 spins, Pugan, and the long pass, pass 3, Bulan, bang, back sa Gabing, pass to number 10, spins, Dulin, corner pass on the inside, nabitawan, and he's behind the back dribble, and he's Pasqua, won't go, rebound, floater, Baget is good, Pugan, Gabing crosses the mid lane, and the passes to Cavaliers, pass to Hedge for 3, Dulin, no good, and the rebound, here's Tuluan, pass it, wild open, attacks, Pugan, water, Pugan, Baget, Corpus, he stops, kicks out, Gabin, drives, pass, and here's Cavaliers setting the play, stops, pass to the middle, oops, has the ball, and passes to Bulan stops, fires a 3, back to back, Bulan, Agabin, stops, pass to Cavaliers, side steps, inipit, Awan, and here you go, Tulawan, kicks out, here's the full squad, pass, floater, no good, put back of the glass, Baget is good, Tulawan, And Agabin. And pass to Corpus. Corpus drives, spins. Oh, deflected. Herrera. And a pass na tapikan. At binato sa gitna. Eksakto kay Coballes. Corpus. Easy bucket. Play Estrella. Pass to Herrera. Bulan for 3. Off the target. Ancheta, the long pass. Eksakto kay Coballes. Kicks out. Agabin creates space. Fires on 3. Bam! Bulls up. Corpus. Agabin fakes. Pass inside. Sakto. Fakes. Fires. So Coballes for 2. The 11-point lead. Stops for 3. Estrella won't go. And here's Agabin. Coballes. Pass to the corner. Ancheta drives. Kicks out. Agabin. Pass to the middle. Lays by foul. Pass the bucket. And 1. The corner bounce pass. Kareng. Spins fake. Oh, not. And Kareng. Bucket. The long pass. And here you go. Ancheta straight to the hoops. Bucket is good. And corner pass. Herrera. Bulan. For 3. Bam! 4. And here's Corpus. Agabin drives. No, behind the back pass. No, Luis. Oh, ina-hands po pa. Basket. And here you go. Coballes. Corpus lays. Oh, Corpus. That move. And here's Corpus. Corpus drives. Bumanga kicks out. Corner. Side step pass inside. Ancheta with the hoops. And loses the ball. And recovered. Oops. Corpus. Corpus. Pass to Agabin. Fakes. Stop. Pull up J at 3. Bang! Pasqua. Bulan. Stop. Pull up J. Bullseye. Corpus. Corpus. Corner pass. Agabin. Stop. Pull up J. Agabin for 2. And Pasqua. Pasqua. Pass it to. Pass for 3. Bang! 3. And here's Pasqua. Pass to Bulan. Pasqua. Bulan. Bulan drives. Floater off the glass. Bulan. Tulawan. Tulawan. Pass to number 26. Pass back. Tulawan. Tulawan. Natapikan. Oh, almost. And face open for 3. Off the mark. Battle Tulawan. Oops, tatapikan. Nagawan and a pass break. And Corpus, easy bucket. Makanang. Makanang. Pass to number 14, Bakiran. And to the middle, Corpus to Bakiran. And Fugan drives, creates space, floater. Fugan. Corpus, pass back. Please, bucket is good. Corpus. Corpus. Pass to the corner, floater shot. Bucket. And long pass. Corpus. Corpus. Pass to Makanang. Drive. Straight to the hoops. Lays. Bucket is good. And here's Corpus. Corpus. Straight drives to the hoop. Lays. Bucket is good. Corpus. Fugan corner pass. And pass back. Fugan. Fugan. Corner pass to the middle. Lays. So palpal. And here's Corpus. Estrella. Estrella. And here. Pass to number 7. Oh, long pass inside. Oop, nakagawan. Eclipse, nakagawan Estrella. Estrella. Estrella straight to the house, sinabitin. My foul. No basket. And a backdoor inbound. And umipit doon. And pull up J. Pasok yan. And a pass break. And here's Pasqua. Bounce pass. Herrera. Pass in just. Oh, ang gandang place. Oh. Nalibre of the glass. Estrella. And here's Coballes. Coballes. Corner pass. Makanang step back for 3. Bang! 3. Na loses the ball. And Estrella one-on-one. Mekos, and yes sir! And Makanang, pass to Corpus, pass on the inside, pull up J, bucket is good! Estrella, pass it number 4-3, bam! Bulan! Game tayo mga idol, pass on the inside, Ataban, pull up J, bucket, Ataban! Dito ni Corpus, pass break, Ataban, saves the ball, nakuha ni Puggan, and Trillia, Bulan, wide open for 3, bam! Once again! And pass ko for the inbound, 1 point lead, and pass for 3, bam! Up by Puggan! Puggan nagmamadali, and straight to the hoops, Lace Puggan! Makanang, Corpus, corner pass, Coballes, drives, pass, and 4 point lead for Team Solana sa 3, Puggan, bam! Puggan, 3, and kicks out, drives, Agabin, corner pass, pull up J, bucket is good, Corpus, and Puggan, drives, Puggan lays, bucket is good, Puggan is Corpus, sumigsag, oops, kicks out, and Coballes natapikan, and it's Solana, Estrella, easy bucket, Estrella, Coballes, corner pass, stop for 3, bang, 3, and here's Pascua, nagmamadali, Pascua, straight to the hoops, bucket for 2, Pascua, Coballes, and drive, side step, Bumanga floater, tips in, bucket is good, Ancheta, Corpus, drives, corner pass, Ataban, pass to the middle, Ataban, bounce pass, uy, sayang, that's, and Estrella here, Estrella, holds the ball, corner pass, Pascua, Estrella, launches on 3, off the target, na-rebound Herrera, Supalpal, for the inbound, pass to Herrera, fires off the glass, Herrera, Ataban, and drives, Ataban spins to the middle, pull up J, Ataban, bucket is good, and here's pass to Pascua, Estrella, and pass inside, pass to the middle, ang gandang pasa, and the finish, Herrera, Estrella for setting the play, pass to the corner, pass inside, libre si Herrera, the play, and here's Corpus, pass to the middle, Ataban corner pass, 4-3 off the mark, Herrera pass to Pascua to Herrera, naagaw ni Ataban bounce pass to Ataban, naagaw yung bola, pass inside, pasok yan kay Pascua, Agabin stops, pass to Ataban, Coballes 4-3, bang! Coballes, pinasa kay Aluan, and open for 3, Bulan, bang! Once again, and here's Makanang, pass to the middle, side step, no look pass, oh, inulit, out, corner pass, wide open for 3, off the mark, nakuha dito ni, Estrella, pass break ngayon, Herrera, easy bucket, Herrera, Agabin, corner pass on 3, Makanang, 3, bang! Nakalusot, eksakto kay Herrera, corner pass, open Supalpal, fade away, no good, rebound, quick putback, pasok yan, Pascua, bounce pass, naagaw ni Ancheta, lays, ay Corpus, bucket is good, grabing nakakuha yun, at muntik na naman, and is Estrella, and Puggan, pass inside, fakes, pass into the corner, Ferraro, putback shot, the strong move, Edel, Ancheta, drives, kicks, corner, 4-10 for 3, bang! Coballes, and it's Estrella, pass to the corner, pass inside, libre kay Puggan, and it's Corpus, pass to Agabin, pass to the middle, picks, corner pass, and drive, side step, Coballes lays, wala, rebound, Ataban, force, and the last on the free throw line, Ataban, bucket, Pascua, Herrera drives, lays, bucket, Herrera, And here you go, Ancheta. Ancheta drives straight to the holes and a easy bucket. And the dribble. Start bounce pass, Puggan, easy bucket and one. Corpus drives, nag-dive. Oops, uy, sportsman, crossover. Estrella behind the back. Oops, uy. That's on the free throw, 1 minute and 57 left. Wala. And na-rebound pa rin. Estrella. Pass to the middle, loses the ball. And Bulan. Pass to number 26, setting the play. And pass to Estrella. Crossover move. Estrella. Pinasa ng kalaban. Kawakanang. Oops. And last on the free throw line. Makanang off target. At narito na. Behind the back dribble. Oop, natapikan. Nasa Corpus. Pass break. Lee Potter. Pasok yan, Makan. Behind the back, Estrella. Oops. Estrella, last on the free throw. Bucket. Timeout. And here's Ataban. Ataban dribbling the ball. Bounce pass to Ataban. Pass to, it's Ancheta drives, floater, bucket for two, Ancheta. And a trap here, naagaw dito na Corpus, step back. And here's wide open for three, off mark. And I fits, crossover, Pasqua, pass to the corner, to the middle, one bounce, kicks out. Estrella pass inside, natapikan. Ito na naman si Corpus. And a first throw by Corpus. Bucket. And a 3-point lead. And a one more off target. And rebound here. My foul. And the last on the free throw line. Pasqua. First choice bucket. Second throw, wala. Corpus. Pass to the corner. And drives. Picks. Oh! It's traveling. And here you go. Pasqua. Pass to Puggan. Corner pass. Bounce pass. Bulan. 10 seconds left. Last free throw. Wala. And rebound. Oh! Naagaw. Oops. Uy. And for the inbound, pass inside, the second shot. Bucket. Corner pass. Corner for three. No good. That's the end of the game. Congratulations, Solana.